Viewer discretion is advised.
It really sucks that I forgot it.
That gives me an idea. I will hijack this airplane. No one can stop me. Logic activate.
Now to crush it.
This is Vyond News Network. Breaking news, a plane crashed into an open field in Vyond City, killing 43 passengers and causing severe injuries to 86 more passengers. Survivors claim that the plane was hijacked.
Jacus? How dare you hijack the airplane? You don't seem to know what you have done. That's it. You are grounded until 1 year after all of the wounded survivors recover.
What?